Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create an angle sign in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it to bring up and open the Microsoft Word, maximize it. Click on the blank document. Now here, I'm just going to type backslash and then angle and hit enter, and now it will turn into an angle sign. But how did I do that? Because not on every a shortcut this will work. So if we're going to type backslash angle on your Microsoft Word and hit enter, it might not work. So how did I do this? Click on the insert tab and the ribbon, and here you will find symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and click on more symbols. Now here, change the font to normal text, this one, and then scroll down to the bottom and you will find this option, the mathematical left angle bracket. So in order to do the same thing as what I have done just by using a shortcut, click on autocorrect and here you will find replace. So just type in here the shortcut that you want to use and make sure that it's something that you can easily remember. So I'm going to type backslash angle. But since it's already been used and I have already set this, so I'm just going to put number 1 in it. So it's backslash angle 1, and I'm just going to click on add and click on OK and then close this. So the same thing, you can also do that. Make sure that the shortcut that you're going to use is easy to remember. So I'm just going to type backslash angle 1, hit enter, and it will turn into an angle sign. So whenever I'm going to use an angle sign, I'm just going to type backslash angle 1, hit enter, and this will turn into an angle sign. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.